This is honestly the easiest go-to you will find. So you get a chocolate bunny. It doesn't actually matter what size. This is quite a large one. And you literally just break off the top as gently or as rough as you like. Because what we're gonna make is a Easter milkshake. So that's quite cool because you can still see the bunny's wee face. So all you do is you can put some pre-made chocolate milk and just pour it into the bunny like that. If you are, say, dairy intolerant, you can make your own version. You could do an almond milk one, do some kind of smoothie. If you don't like chocolate, you can make a banana version, a strawberry version. And then to make it really pretty, use some whipped cream. And then you can add on a couple of little eggs and maybe like a fresh raspberry or a cherry. It looks so pretty. And then you just stick in a straw and you've got yourself a bunny milkshake. How cute do these bunnies look? Excuse me?